see now as you see the links to the people that actually like the post. Hey everyone, Jan here again, and today we are already at the 5th tutorial of tutorials of scrapers, and in this tutorial we are going to scrape again leads, exactly. So in this case, before we did like some Luma event scraper, we actually scraped Meetup, we scraped post engagers of LinkedIn, we scraped a search from LinkedIn, and in the next one we actually want to scrape find hot leads from a viral LinkedIn post. So we want to scrape leads from just one specific post. So in this case I need again to create a Google Sheets connector. So let's check again the tutorial here on the left side that I have written. We need to copy over this Google spreadsheet. So in this case, scraper LinkedIn that engaged with a viral post, LinkedIn URL and page. Let's do so. We go over here, we copy it over. So let's think maybe of a post that went viral and that we would love to scrape. Let's go here and go here. Hackathon, this is for CFOs who want to build solution for the actual phase. So let's use this one, the specific post. So let's click on this specific post and let's click on the people actually like this post. So we need to go, for example, reactions. We need to go and check for Voyager or GraphQL. So let's go over again to our LinkedIn here, and let's click on the people that like the post. So we see the people that like this post, and I guess maybe that is the one we want to copy. Okay, this is apparently, we may want to scroll a bit and we want to see the query. Let's see, we scroll one more time. Okay, I guess I want to copy this one, GraphQL variables. We say copy as fetch. I do take it, I put it over here, and then I needed to create a Google Sheet. So I needed to copy this Google Sheet. I did copy it over. I didn't title it yet. So let's title it like this post is called. And this post is called Lovable Hackathon JB Morgan, New York. Let's call it like so. So let's go back to our Google Sheet. Lovable Hackathon New York. Zack. I called it like so. I put it here, and now we are ready to go. We put our request here in the manual one, right? And we let it run, and it's going to take people here. You see people that actually like this post. So just for a single post, and we are going to write this over to our Google Sheet. So here in our Google Sheet, we should see now, as you see, the links to the people that actually like the post. So we can engage with these people, or we can further enrich them, or run like an automation over them. Something, whatever you want to do with these leads, but you have these leads then wonderfully as a wonderful Google Sheet table where these are the ones that actually like this specific post, such as Andy Vanden Heuvel has liked this post. And if we go back here, you see also Andy Vanden Heuvel has liked this post. So yeah, wonderful. That does work very well. So you see this is already filling itself very fast and iterating over different kind of pages of people that like the post. Each page, there are around 10 people that like the post. We are doing the pagination, but reconstructing it here basically in this workflow. Find hot leads from a viral post on LinkedIn. If you're curious to find leads that engage with this specific LinkedIn post, this workflow is for you. And this was the 5th workflow. This was another LinkedIn workflow scraper. And I'm excited to see you in the 6th scraper workflow. And the 6th scraper workflow is actually not about LinkedIn, but the 6th scraper workflow is going to be about Instagram, something also which can be interesting for you. So we are going to scrape some Instagram followers. See you there. And if you have any questions, you can always ask us at Needle or send us a message, reach out to us, and we are happy to support you. And just try this workflow, set it up. It was super easy to use, as you saw, and you have wonderful leads, people that engaged with the specific LinkedIn posts, hundreds and thousands of leads you can create. You can create more leads than you actually can reach out to, I think. So happy automation to you.